Welcome, students, to our Spelling Netcast. Before we begin, let's make sure that we are ready. Let's make sure we're prepared. Make sure you have your Ziploc bag to put your word chips in. You need scissors to cut out your word chips, a glue stick to glue in your heading, pencil to write with, notebook or journal to write your words in during the lesson, and last but not least, this week's spelling words. Alright, looks like we are doing sort 16, and looks like we're going to be dealing with short E and long E, and the pattern is CVVC, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Let me just kind of show you this week's words. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they just grand? Alright, I think it's time for us to start cutting, so grab your scissors, and let's go ahead and begin. Let's begin now that you've cut out your word chips and you're ready to rock and roll. Get on with the lesson. Let's go ahead and start with our heading. Again, sort 16, short E, long E. Let's go ahead and run a bead of glue across it, and let's quickly adhere or stick our heading at the top. Again, this keeps us organized so we know what we're doing. Let's go ahead and start now with our exemplars. Let's find out what we're doing this week. Let's go ahead and start with this one here. And as you can see, when we have this long dash across the top of the letter or letters, that represents the long sound. So we're going to be dealing with a long E sound. And the pattern is going to be C, which is consonant, right? Vowel, vowel, consonant. Alright. Okay, let's move on. So go ahead and grab your next one. Let's go ahead and deal with this one next. This is going to deal with a what type of sound? Long sound, exactly. Exactly. And this is going to be the long E sound. The A is kind of silent. And again, it's consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Our last exemplar for this week is this little dippity-doo here. This is the short vowel sound, isn't it? It's going to be the short E, which is eh, and it's followed by consonant, vowel, consonant. So there's only one vowel, preceded and followed by the consonant. Alright, so those are our exemplars, are the exemplars for this week, and you can make it into columns if we'd like. That's nice. Helps us to stay organized. Alright, let's go ahead and take our words and let's see what we got. Let's go ahead and take a look at seam. Remember, students, that it's very important for us to recognize the sound first. And as I mentioned before, we're looking for the long sound. So let's say the word. Again, this is something that you should be doing every time that you lay the word. You need to say the word, or write the word, you need to say the word. So the word is, everybody, seam. Say seam. Seam. Long E. We recognize the sound first. Then let's write it. And let's check the pattern next. Sound first, then the pattern. Consonant, vowel, vowel, two vowels, and the consonant. And again, these two E's make the long E sound. Alright. Let's go to the next one. Our next word is next. Next. We don't see the EA, which makes the long E sound, do we? So and it doesn't have two E's. So let's move it over to this exemplar, and let's see if it'll fit. Let's see if it'll work. Again, we're looking at the short vowel sound, the short E. Say the word next. 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 We pick up a short E. Next. Next. Definitely short. So now that we have the sound, let's make sure that the vowel or that the pattern sound matches. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So that's a good fit. Excellent. All right, let's take a look at our next word. This one we can quickly see that it's going to fit under the EA. Again, long E. Say the word. Eat. Eat. We actually hear the E, so that makes it long. E, A, T, long E sound, and then the consonant. So let's see what we have here. Here we have a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Now this one we don't have a vowel or a consonant before it, but we have two vowels and a consonant, so that will fit. That will work. That wouldn't be considered an oddball. Let's put that over to the side. All right. Let's go ahead and do a few more. Feet. We quickly can see that the two E's match up. That makes the long E sound. Let's see if it is really long. Say feet, eat, feet. Oh yeah, definitely, definitely. Long E. Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Good fit. All right, let's go to this one. Teach. 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 Long E sound. T-E-A-C-H. Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Good fit. All right, let's take a look at one more before I set you guys loose on your own to finish the rest. Kind of cool. The word is set. We don't hear the long E like we do in eat or seem or feet. This is short, isn't it? So this is going to fit under the short E sound, exemplar, and we see a consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, well, that's just a part of it. You guys have a bunch more to go, so I'm going to turn you loose, let you guys figure out the rest. Let me give you a hint. There might just be an oddball. Let's see if you guys can figure out which one of your words this week will be the oddball. Remember, as we do our sorts, we listen for the sound first to determine whether it's long or short, and then we find the pattern. See if it matches, whether it's a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, or a consonant, vowel, consonant. All right, good luck. Keep going. Do your best. All right, students, when you're finished, make sure that your word chips go back in the bag. You will need them for your lay-in says, your speed sorts, and your blind sort that you'll do this week as homework. So the reason why we do this, students, is we are practicing to become better spellers, and when that happens, we become better readers and writers. You guys are awesome. Keep up the good work. Work hard. Be responsible. Do your best. See ya.